Hey, good morning, everyone. I have absolutely nothing productive to say this morning other than good morning. And I'm on my way to work right now, so I figured I'd go ahead and share a quick little time lapse of my drive. And but also to show, check out this beautiful plum. We bought this weeping plum tree not too long ago. It's still in the planter, but I'm going to be planting it right there. Mr. and Mrs. Tanuki, they're next to my little bonsai plum tree. And yeah, all this work I still need to do in the Japanese garden. And let's see, the plums over there in the back, you see that white one throughout the property, they're starting to bloom. Last year I planted 3 cherry trees right there along this this little hill right here. But plums bloom first, and then after that the cherry blossoms. So stay tuned for the cherry blossoms here in Japan. They're absolutely gorgeous, and here in Miwa is really beautiful. So yeah, all these different exciting things happening, and this is what I absolutely love thus far about living in the countryside. Just, you know, waking up and seeing this scenery, the fog, and you know, just I don't know, it's just really relaxing. You know, my drive to work is about a 40-minute drive, not a bad drive at all. But yeah, it gives me time to just kind of relax and reflect on life. Check out all the clouds over there in the background. We have a crew doing a lot of work on our backyard here. As you can see, there's a video of this coming up. They've been working a lot on the upper backyard. The lower backyard, quite muddy right now because it's been raining for the past couple of days. And then over there, you can see the a little path going up to the chestnut trees. And let's see, let's make it down to the car. I've also been working on a sawhorse. You know, this everything was fast and furious when we moved in here. Just too many things going on at once, and so I did have the opportunity to cut some wood here and there, as you can see, but I did not have a proper sawhorse. So this weekend I decided, you know what, let's just do it right and build one. This is what I got thus far. Pretty excited about it. There's another video of this coming up soon. There's some little modifications. If you have seen any sawhorses online, this is my own unique, and quite frankly, I think I like a better version. I'll explain what these blocks are later on and why it's flat. But basically, I'm making it like a multifunctional sawhorse to include a table, like a removable tabletop, so I can work outside when I need to. Yeah, just heading into work. So let me go ahead and plug in the GoPro here and put on a time lapse and let y'all enjoy. Again, thanks for tuning in to our journey here living in the countryside of Japan. And if you like what you see, please hit subscribe, like and share, and enjoy as we enjoy living here in the countryside. All right, folks, have a great day. Bye.